Right now I have Nissan AD. This vehicle has a problem with check engine, so I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. But according to the owner, the vehicle loses power, rough idling. Those are things that has said. So I'm going to scan so that we solve this vehicle according to the fault code. So I'm going to use the Axon software. So according to this machine, the main problem is P0507 and P2135. I'm going to research on P0507, which is ISC system. According to the Google, the main problem idle control system RP is higher than expected, meaning this can caused by vacuum leaks, dirty fault idle air control, and malfunctioning electrical throttle body. So we need to look at those things. And according to another code, which is P2135, it means that there is a problem with voltage mismatch between the accelerator pedal and the throttle control module position sensor. So according to this, can caused by dirty throttle body and mass airflow sensor or wiring issues. So a wiring issue, dirty throttle or stuck ABS relay, fault sensor. So I'm going to open this inlet manifold of this Nissan. We are going to confirm the plugs, ignition coils, everything, because when there is a misfire can cause the idle to fluctuate between high or low. So we are going to check every, starting from plugs, ignition coil, air leakage or vacuum leakage, then mass airflow sensor, throttle. So I'm starting with spark plugs. So I'm going to remove these coils. Even I'm going to check the coil leaks. So good condition, the first. The second one is a good condition. Let me see, the third one is in a good condition. Then the last one is a good one. So coils are okay. So the next step is spark plugs. I see the spark plugs are good. Spark plug number 1, good. Spark plug number 2 is good. Spark plug number 3 is good. Then spark plug number 4. Ignition coils are good. The problem is not the spark plugs. We are going to another culprit, which is mass airflow sensor. To deal with mass airflow sensor, you need to make sure you clean, free from dust, like that. Then the throttle, even see there is some carbon deposit on that throttle flap. Those dirty segment can cause a code P2135, which is the TP sensor. So we are going to make sure the throttle is clean. After that, you need to install everything back the way it was before. So I'm going to install that inlet manifold like that. So after that, this is the right time to look for any leakage vacuum. So you need to make sure all the sockets, all the pipes are secured like that. It's very simple, like that. So right now everything is intact. Air cleaner or element. So after doing that, we need to put ignition on. Then we are going back so that we clear the fault code from the system. Those were the fault code. Do you want to clear the fault code? Yes. The code has been cleared but we still have P0507, which is ISC system. The first code has been eliminated, which is P2135 TP sensor. Because of that ISC system, I'm suspecting this sensor here. I'm going to replace with the new one. It is a canister regulator sensor. This sensor, it normally helps to remove oxygen from the tank. So I'm going to replace this sensor like this, because we don't have any air leakages on the pipe. We have cleaned the throttle, we have cleaned mass F sensor. So I think this is the suspect. I'm going back so that we clear the fault code from the system. With the code, I just want to erase. Okay, the code has been cleared. Let me read again. There's not any fault code on the system. See, let me start the vehicle again. So everything's working perfect, even we don't have check engine on the dashboard. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.